Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about how much should I spend on an instrument. This really depends on a couple of things. So first of all, it depends how deep your pockets are. If you are wealthy enough to afford to replace any instrument if it breaks or goes wrong, then spend as much as you wish. That is not a problem. On the other hand, if you're a performing musician who might be performing 6 to 7 nights a week, you need a quality instrument that will last and work every gig. Now, you can get instrument insurance that replaces it if it gets damaged or broken, and some insurance companies will even help you out on a gig if you need a replacement straight away. They'll always check those policies because not every instrument insurance company is the same. The other thing you need to think about is if you're learning to play. If you're learning to play, don't spend too much because generally most people tend to quit while learning to play an instrument. So how much should you spend on an instrument? Really, it depends on how deep your pockets are and if you are a gigging musician. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.